A North Carolina ban on ballot selfies will soon be challenged in court. That's after a state Senate candidate filed a federal lawsuit against the ban earlier this week. The lawsuit claims that the ban violates the First Amendment because it interferes with political speech on the basis of its content. Laura Leslie has more details.
You don't think of taking a selfie as the kind of thing that could land you in jail. But in North Carolina, that's exactly what could happen if you take one with your filled out ballot. A new lawsuit says that violates voters' constitutional rights. Last March wasn't the first time Susan Hogarth has posted a ballot selfie, even though she knows it's against state law. But this time she got a letter about it from the State Board of Elections, warning her she could face criminal prosecution if she didn't take the photo down.
You're not harming anyone. You're in fact, you're aiding the political process and you're, increasing enthusiasm for the political process.
Hogarth filed suit against the state elections board, asking a judge to overturn the selfie ban. Her attorney, Jeff Seaman with the free speech group FIRE, says political speech cannot be banned on the basis of its content.
North Carolina's statutes prohibit voters from taking and sharing pictures of voted ballots, no matter where they take them, in the ballot box or even absentee ballots at home. They do that based on the content of the pictures.
North Carolina is one of 14 states that ban ballot selfies. State election officials say they could be used as proof in a vote-buying scheme. Zeman says that's not a good enough reason to suppress speech.
It's the burden of the government to prove that it's actually a problem right now, that this problem actually exists, and that not only that, but that this is the only way that they can take care of it.
Hogarth said voters have a right to keep their vote private, but the law can't require them to.
So I think privacy is fine and, in fact, essential to the process as we have it now. But secrecy is not. And I think that this protects secrecy more than privacy.
A spokesman for the State Board of Elections said they don't comment on pending legal cases.
Susan Hogarth is running for the North Carolina State Senate, but she says the lawsuit isn't connected to her candidacy.